Hello and Jai Hind friends, welcome back to Officer Body Aspirant channel. So friends, today I am going to fill the UPSC NDA form, all the procedure in this video. So if you are aspirant and wanted to fill the UPSC form, then you should see the video, watch the video. Whole video is covering the procedure of filling UPSC NDA as well as same procedure is for CDS form filling. So let's begin. Now you have to come on the Sarkari result, then you will, when you go for Sarkari result, by here you can also see UPSC NDA second online form. And if I am telling about qualifications, so friends, those candidate who not born before 2/1/2007 and not after 1/1/2010, okay, and here is passing qualification is 10+2 मीन्स आर्मी के लिए आपके पास 10+2 होना चाहिए. एंड फॉर एयरफोर्स एंड नेवी यू हैव टू पास 10+2 यानी कि 12th में आपके पास फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ होना कंपलसरी है. बट आर्मी के लिए आप कोई भी स्ट्रीम से हो, कॉमर्स या आर्ट कोई भी हो, तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. बात कहें कि लाइक वैकेंसी की, तो देर आर टोटल 406 पोस्ट फॉर NDA सेकेंड 2025 एंड यहाँ पर 208 पोस्ट हैं कहाँ आर्मी के लिए. एंड देन इज 42 फॉर नेवी एंड एयरफोर्स 120 एंड नेवल अकेडमी 36 पोस्ट. And these are some instruction for like by the UPSC, and you can also do read all the respective instruction. Now I am going to log in because मेरा registration पहले हो गया है. If you wanted to do registration, then watch another video I have uploaded. Now we are going to go on login. So we have here Union Public Service Commission, another new website. This is new format. So if you have created your like account, so you can here log in by mobile number, URN and email ID also. So we are just going by our URN password. After login you will see here some type of like you have to come on the examination. My data is your own data and there are some instructions. So friends, whenever you are going to fill the form, you should read all the instructions carefully, okay. There are some frequent asked question by the UPSC. What is the UPSC annual program calendar regarding this? So you can also go through this all. And if your payment fail like SC/ST, what is the structure of civil service examination? This is all regarding the UPSC body, and you can also go through all this, okay. So I am filling actually for defense, so there is no criteria for such type of thing. Now I will be going for opting for National Defense Academy examination second, so I will opt here. If you are applying for CDS, so you can apply here, okay. So I am just applying here. From now I will see here, okay. Now my actually name will be looking, so I will hide this all. You will see everything in this format, okay. So if you are applying for the first time, you may like able to know about everything about your informations like disability, address, education qualifications and photograph, also signature. Now you can also view. If you first you need to view all the thing. When you view, then you may able to like this will not will be like you cannot change कैंडिडेट आइडेंटिटी कार्ड, ओके, मेट्रिकुलेशन सर्टिफिकेट और बोर्ड, ओके, नहीं आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. ना ही आप अपना आधार कार्ड का, ये मतलब 1 2 3 ये 3 आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. यू कैन आल्सो चेंज एडिट पर्सनल प्रोफाइल, पेरेंट्स प्रोफाइल, सोशल कैटेगरी, ओके, ये आप एडिट कर सकते हैं. तो आपका यदि आपने लाइक पहले कोई लाइक फॉर्म भरने के टाइम आपने कोई भी यदि सोशल कैटेगरी OBC SC ST या जनरल का कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन गलत भरी गई हो, तो यहाँ से आप उसको एडिट कर सकते हैं, ओके. तो इतना घबराने वाली बात नहीं है. यहाँ से एड्रेस, एजुकेशन प्रोफाइल वो भी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, ओके. सिग्नेचर भी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. बट यहाँ से आपको कैंडिडेट आइडेंटिटी कार्ड, ये 3 चीज़ें नहीं कर सकते हैं चेंज, ओके. तो फ्यूचर रेफरेंसेस also for all the examinations. So now friends, I am going to view all this and then I will submit it.